Okay, this is my Pioneer stereo system. I just finished repairing the amp. It's an SA-1480. All of the functions give up working. So I took it apart and I found out that there was two 3.15 amp 125 volt fuses blown. So I replaced them, got it all back together. Now, see if it's going to work. So it's on standby. It's on standby right now. Turn it on. Oh yeah, that's lit up now. That's lit up, that's lit up, that's lit up. Oh, here we go. What was that? Oh, that's the radio. So it's all working again. CD. And turn the equalizer off. Turn the equalizer on. The tuner is on. CD. Play. And here we go.
I was looking for money in 78. Trying to get fishing, Lord, I just
Got her fixed. So that was the easy fix. It was just two fuses. So if you ever have a problem with your Pioneer stereo, vintage stereo system, and before you spend a pile of money getting it repaired, you just gotta, there's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's 5 screws you takes out, and the cover comes off, and you see the fuses right inside. You just replace them with the right size of fuses. Again, these were 3.15 amp, 125 volts. There was two of them. Two of them blowed. I replaced them, and now it's working again. And the fuses were, I think they were, what was it, $6.50 for two in a pack. And that's it.